Hi, and welcome to How to Use Your TI Nspire. My name is Mr. Hill, and today I'm going to be showing you how we can view that two expressions are actually equivalent. I have a test example here. It says, which expression is equivalent to negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 4? And then my answer choices are all in factored form. So that means that this doesn't have to just stop you from using it on these type of questions. Anytime you have to factor out a quadratic, you can use this method to see if your two factors forms are correct. So grab your calculator and follow along. So since we're going to be using the graphing portion, we're going to hit New Documents, Add Graphs. And here we're going to type in that equation. So negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 4, and we're going to hit enter. Then I get my graph and it looks like it's pointing down. So now all I have to do is plug in these factored forms, and all we're going to be looking for is see if they line up perfectly with this blue function here. So hitting tab and going down to f2 of x, let's type in that first factored form, which is 3x plus 7. And I'm just typing it in exactly like I see it. 3x minus 3. Close off this parentheses. And then now that I have this typed in, let's just hit enter. Well, and as you can see, it did not line up with our previous function, so we know that the first answer choice is not correct. So let's hit tab and let's keep doing it with the rest of these factored form. So I'm just going to go in between the two parentheses and just delete what I need to. So that second one is just a negative 3x. So I'm going to just put a negative in front of this 3x. Scroll over, delete this plus 7 because I need plus 4. Move over to the next one, and I need a 2x instead of a 3. So delete the 3 and hit a 2. And I need minus 1 instead of minus 3. So I'm going to delete the 3 and hit a 1. Now that I have the second one typed in, all I have to do is hit enter. And as you can see, it looks like it's pointing down and everything, but it doesn't line up perfectly with this blue one. Remember, we're looking for where that blue function is completely covered up by this other one here. So since this one didn't work, same method, hit tab, scroll up, and just delete the things that we need to delete here. So the second one is 3x minus 7. So I'm going to scroll all the way over, get rid of this negative. Instead of a plus 4, I need a minus 7. Whoops. So x minus 7. Scroll all the way, and now I need a 3x plus 3. So I'm just going to go ahead, delete everything on this side, and retype 3x plus 3. I'm going to hit enter. Oh, and as you can see, it does not line up as well. It's going in a completely different direction, opening up way too wide. So this is not our factored form that we're looking for. So let's just do that last one. Scroll up. Scroll all the way to the first one. Delete all that. Negative 3x minus 4. Scroll over. 2x plus 1. And hit enter. Ooh, and as you can see, the blue function was completely covered by the second function that we used. So since it completely covered it, it's completely lying on top of each other, that means that the factored form and the equivalent expression to the first one is negative 3x minus 4 times 2x plus 1, for negative 6x squared minus 11x minus 4. Now remember, you can use this method to check your factored forms to see if they are correct. So, I hope you have a great day.